Hey everyone, this is mostly for people celebrating Passover this week, but if you're not, you want to listen, by all means, be my guest. You're right here anyways. So we know the story of the Exodus from Egypt, and there's the moment when Moses goes to Pharaoh and says, Pharaoh, let my people go. And Pharaoh's like, no interest in that. Nobody's leaving. They're all staying here. And Moses says, well, I don't like that, but wait till you see what my God will do. He will bring plagues upon you. And at the Passover Seder, we read each one of these plagues. And the appropriate thing to do to remember the impact that the plagues have is you take your finger and you dip it in a little wine and then you touch it to the side of your plate. Last year, I started a tradition at my own Seder where I played sound effects of the individual plagues while we dipped and touched. So I thought I'd play them for you now and you could record them. I don't know how you're going to do it, but figure it out. Or get your own. These are the ones that I played. Starting with when God turned the Pharaoh's water to blood. It's mostly dripping blood sound. You can't find a blood sound on the internet, but that sounded like blood to me. Second one is frogs. He sent frogs all over the land. Yep, frogs. Crickets in there too, but mostly frogs. He inflicted lice upon the Egyptian people. Get it? It's a good one. Wait. Then he sent insects down. Number 5, he killed all the cattle. I mean, you're not going to find a sound effect of cattle dying. Best I could do is cattle mooing. How about boils? What do you think you're going to get for boils? What sound effect could you possibly get for boils? Here's what I found. It's popping. Boils, get it? Okay, hail, a little bit easier. Yes. Locusts. This is the actual sound of locusts. I think. I wouldn't want to hear that. Whether it was actual locusts or not, if I walked out of my house in the dark one night and that was going on, I would go back inside. There's no question. Darkness. What do you think it sounds like darkness? There you go. Straight crickets. Straight crickets. And then the final one. The Pharaoh said no to everything. He didn't care about the blood and the water. He didn't care about frogs and dying cattle and the boils and the hail and locusts. He didn't care about that. So finally Moses said, all right, I'm gonna have my God bring one more plague down upon you. And that will be the slaying of the Egyptian firstborn. And to protect the Jews in this scenario, God said, take lamb's blood, put it smeared on the doorway. That way, when the angel comes to take the firstborn, he'll pass over the homes that have the blood smeared on the door. Hence the name Passover. And I didn't know, I racked my brain for the sound of the slaying of a firstborn. And as creepy as it is, I chose to go in a slightly different direction, which is this. People in shock, in horror. Once more. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. There are my 10 sounds for the Passover Seder. When you get to that moment, I hope you'd enjoy them. I hope you have a happy Passover, as I will. I always do. I love Passover. I'm going to go make some chopped liver now. See you again. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.